Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the Allen floor plan in the Aspire Post Oak. So the Aspire Post Oak has a beautiful floor plan here. We're about to go see part two, which is we're gonna go into the bedroom and the bath. So let's go look in that bedroom. The bedroom is so cool. That's a king size bed. There is plenty of space in here. And then there is a beautiful window that's here. The window is massive. Look at this massive window. And look at this closet. The closet is here. It's a stunning closet. And it's just simply gorgeous. Wow, I just love, it just feels so open, very modern and fun. We walk into the bathroom. The bathroom is amazing. The bathroom looks very, very cool. It looks adorable and gorgeous and modern all at the same time. Look at this dual sink. Look at the mirrors that are lighted. And then this massive, oh boy, massive shower. It's so fun. Man, this just has the perfect look. They've really got this done right. Hey, don't you love the look here? I really, really do. And I think what you should do is do a tour that's virtual, but by somebody like me that's going to go through and walk through and guide you, one-on-one. It'll be live. So send me a text. I'll set that up for you so that you'll get a live, personalized virtual tour of the Aspire, including this floor plan or any floor plan that's available. Send me a text and request that. It's 100% free to do that. We can set that up as early as today.